Hi guys, it's Devin coming back at you with a new hair tutorial. So with this hair tutorial, I'm going to use my hair coloring material, MOFAJANG, I think it's pronounced that way, I don't know. But it's basically like a hair wax. I used to dye my hair a lot back when I first went natural, and I just decided to no longer bleach my hair anymore. It was just so damaging, and I always had to trim my ends because of it was just really bad for my hair. So I feel like by putting this wax on my hair, I can still get the benefits of having colored hair without too much of the damage you get when you have bleached hair. So first, what I did was I sprayed down my hair. I already washed my hair and everything, and now I'm about to put in my Diva 1 condition to moisturize. I use it a lot, so I had to take the lid off and shake it out. So I'm just going to section my hair into 4 sections. I'm just going to smooth that 1 condition all over my hair from roots to ends, making sure that I'm getting a lot of the moisture on my ends, because that's the oldest part of my hair and it's going to be the driest as well. This wax can be very drying on your hair, so you definitely want to make sure you add some type of moisturizer before adding it on. So I'm just going to take the other side of my hair and just spritz it down. I noticed that my curls look much more defined whenever my hair is soaking wet before I put my products on, so make sure that you saturate your hair with water before applying any products. You might notice that I put a lot of products in my hair. Now I'm going to go in with my curl enhancing smoothie. I love the curl enhancing smoothie because it just lets my hair just be smooth and just more defined overall. I use the 1 condition for more of a moisturizing effect, and then I go in with the curl enhancing smoothie by SheaMoisture just as more of a styling product, you know, getting those curls defined. And I absolutely love this styling gel. Basically, my mom's been using it on my hair ever since I was a little girl, and I just love it so much. It just makes my hair so much more defined, and it helps it to hold. I don't really like to wash my hair too much, so I like to have a good gel that makes my, hair last for a long period of time. So once I'm done applying my gel, I'm just going to take one side of my hair and just clip it up, and then I'm going to take the other side and split that into 2 sections and just clip that section up. Now I'm going to be applying the wax into my hair. So with this color, I chose the gold. I saw another girl on YouTube using the orange one, which I also liked, and I definitely want to try that one out too, but I decided to use the gold one. I feel like gold and pink is definitely my color. I like that it goes well with my skin and complexion. So I'm just going to take, a lot of wax and make sure that I'm coating it all throughout my hair. And you basically just smooth it in like you would with any product, like you are with just conditioner. Just smooth it in, that way you're making sure that you're not missing any strands. You can take smaller strands than I did if you want to add more of a highlight, but for me, I prefer to add a little bit more wax and color than normal. Now I'm just going to go to the other side of my hair and just apply the wax. And I'm just going to take this last section here and just apply all of that color to my strands. I notice whenever, because I already got the majority of the bottom part of my hair colored brown, so I noticed whenever I put the wax on the black hair, I noticed it was kind of like a greenish color. So if you have like pitch black hair, I don't think the gold will really work for you. It might turn out to be a little bit greenish. So if you have like brownish hair, then it'll definitely work for you. But if you're putting it on like jet black hair, it probably won't look very nice. I kind of learned that after I put it on my head, but you can't really see it that well in the camera, but I noticed it was a little bit more green. So yeah, don't make the same mistake I did. So this is the finished product with all of the wax in my hair. Hopefully it turns out well. And this is what my hands look like after applying all of that. It's all over me. Okay guys, so I finished putting this wax in my hair, and I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. Like, my hair is already colored, so I feel like with the black being on top and then like the brown and then like the blonde at the end, I feel like it's gonna all end up looking like a different color, if you know what I mean. So I don't know, my hair feels a little stiff. Hopefully once it dries, it doesn't feel super hard or makes my hair feel super dry. Hopefully not. Well, we'll see how it turns out. I'm gonna go get my blow dryer and we can go ahead and just dry my hair and see how it goes. So now I'm just gonna go in with my diffuser and just dry my hair. I definitely want to be careful and not really mess up too many of my curls. I definitely don't want my hair to be too frizzy. And I'm getting all of the wax all over my dryer, so I definitely need to wash that as soon as I'm finished. Now I'm just going to flip my hair to the side and just making sure I'm getting all of that hot air into my roots. So at this point my hair is about 50% dry. And at this point my hair is about 100% dry. So now I'm just going to go in with my pick. And this is basically the finished results. This is the color of my hair. I hope you guys love it. I like it. I think it's different. I feel like with my skin tone, I feel like my hair looks better with blonde hair or goldish hair than just a jet black. I don't know. I feel like it makes my makeup look better, and just, I don't know, I just prefer my appearance better whenever my hair is this color. So guys, I hope you loved my hair. This is basically the finished product at this point, and I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.